cannot be the two. Why you on a perimeter, can't even shoot? Oh, you got a whack at jump. We gon' make it rain on thunder. I ain't tryna sit on the phone, tryna.
Get everything short, get everything short. I'm behind y'all, get everything short. Four.
But it's this shoe like Louis at the top. Yeah, we lost a lot, but that's just how it goes. Let me ring, I guess he made the boy. White body on rock, now she walked up. Throw that motherfucker! Throw that motherfucker!
That nigga can't catch! Oh, I see you.
Ready, let go. Oh!
I'm a lurking 63rd.
Oh, fuck! I didn't want to get ran into, to be honest. My fault, my fault.
After the new bitch call me another. We'll be tight for the ride under the covers. These niggas faking
Good hands. I'm right here. You're not catching that anyways. I promise you, you're not. Oh! Out!
Ready, let go. Up, up.
Yeah, I didn't want to keep on going.
Let go.
Go all the way. Oh, right here.
Oh yeah, okay. Ready, let go.
You embarrassing me.
What you mean embarrassing you? It was in front.
You're my recruit. You're embarrassing me right
Well,
now.
fuck
That's
you.
2 drops. I heard you.
Let go.
Everything. Break on everything. We need it.
Robbie.
Don't let that nigga do you. Jesus Christ. Yeah, shit ain't sweet back here, nigga. Shit ain't sweet back here, nigga. Seatbelt. Shit ain't sweet out here, nigga. That'll be your last split hitter with me. 4. God. You got it. Middle, out. He would have caught it out. A little bit. Barely though. Barely. Yeah. Thank you. Nigga finally being 6 foot. Shit. Let's go, baby. said you was locking me. I thought you said you was locking me. What happened?
I got you.
You got me?
I got you.
Got me. It was just me and you back there. What happened?
I got you.
Watch the late post. Coming.
Come on, baby, I'm calling it. Come on. Right. Dumbass.
You down back there, back up.
Ready?
That's touch, that's touch. Good fucking play. Stay short, K. Stay short, K. I'm with you, I'm with you. Yeah, K! I told you I'm with you, K! Good hands, baby.
Let go. Yeah, let him standing.
Good hands, baby.
Hey, go.
Good hands, short. Short. Short, short.
Small bands just to take you out real quickly.
Nobody's counting. Oh, okay.
In the deep end like usual.
Oh, I thought it was coming to me. Oh, I was right behind you. We gotta try this side.
Ready, let's go.
I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Stay right there on that big nigga. Yeah, stay right there short. That's over. Yeah, you play down. Play down. Everything behind you, let me know. I'm gonna get it. Back up, 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 back up. Yup.
What are you doing with that ball in your hand? What are you doing?
You ever seen the first year of RG3? Down. Say hut. Say hut. That's not live? That's not, how is that not live? I did.
Same shit earlier.
That's basically the toss back.
Yeah, but then how come we called the one dead earlier? K kicked it to us.
I didn't see that shit. How's that not a live ball?
I ain't gonna argue with you on how.
Exactly. How's it?
Fuck.
Okay, replay down. Down. Say hut. Say hut. Oh!
Where you live, boy?
It happens, right? It happens.
It happens. To the best.
Not on their first drive.
Hey! What? Stop it. That's a pick. That's a, bro. That's a pick, bro. That's a pick, bro. Y'all terrible sports, bro. I'm with you.
There we go.
Knowing damn well it was a pick. Hank! Oh, there's out, there's out, there's out, there's out, there's out, there's out. No, that's out. Hey, if the pick was out, that's out. I'm not hearing it. I'm not hearing it. I'm not hearing it. A second. I got you outside.
Yes, sir.
Down. Say hut. My fault. Say hut. Say hut. I try to hit it away from him, Cade. My fault. Say hut. Get some yards. No. Say hut. That's a fucking dot, nigga. That's a dot. Be ready to catch the ball, Greg. Be ready to catch the ball, Greg. Yeah, let's play some defense, boys. Sheet over here, Kane. Sheet over here, Kane. I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it. You got it! Yeah! Yeah! Down. Say hut. Say hut. We go. Down. Say hut. Hut. Let's fucking go! Marcus over there. Marcus over there. Attack ball. Play inside, play inside.
Eddie, pick up. Oh my God.
I'm following your ass anyways.
Huh?
You lucky that ball wasn't to you. I'm pushing you. Fuck no. Replay down. Hell no. I'm not letting that happen.
Pick up. That's 4 seconds. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000.
Crosser.
Ready? Pick up. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. 3 Mississippi. 4 Mississippi.
I'm here, I'm here. Nigga! Nigga! Across, 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 across. Yep, I'm here, I'm here. Oh, he dropped it. Stay short, Kane. Stay short, stay short. Yeah! Good defense! You good? You got G. Back up, back up, back up. You good, back up. Yep. Hey! You got trips over there. Huh? Yeah, they play defense.
Go.
Did you catch the ball? What are you talking?
Did they give you the ball?
Did you catch the ball? Oh, good D.
More bitches. Oh, they coughed on niggas. Understand niggas. Play roll some trends. Get them locked. When I round, they fade in. Put the clip card on the
Set, go. Ball.
Good hands, good hands, good hands.
Set, go.
Yeah, oh, never mind. Coach Mo coming across.
Set, go.
Stay, stay, stay. Hey, play inside, get up.
So does the other team come on?
Yeah, they come on. I'm going right away. Oh, we going zone.
Okay. We're in zone.
Let me get on this side. Yeah. Pyramid, pyramid. Yeah, but they got fast niggas.
Oh, they got right here. My brother got me.
Ready, ready?
Yeah.
Hey, go.
Live it up, live it up.
Go.
I told that nigga somebody got to pull him that way. He didn't hear me. I pulled my hammy, so
2-2-1.
2-2. No, we got one, yeah.
They got 2. Ready? Go. Oh, come on.
Hit that nigga. Stay outside, stay outside.
Ready? On a man, I slide some bread in the gym. It's just who I am.
Ready? So go.
Go out, go out, go out, go out. Kane, out, Kane. If they cross and stay there. It's too close. It's too close to the end zone to be following them.
So go.
Oh, you gotta get out there.
Thanks for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. If you don't agree with any of my takes, we can argue about it. Get on the podcast, get in the comments, whatever you want to do. You can subscribe to my channel right here. In this other corner, you should get with my TikTok and my Twitter. And in this corner right here, you can watch any more reaction videos, vlogs, or watch any more takes. Till then, see y'all. God bless.